Hello everyone, welcome to Host IT Smart video tutorial. Have you ever needed to change the primary domain of a cPanel account? Maybe your client has rebranded their business, purchased a new domain, or simply wants to replace their old website address with a better one. Many people think they need to create a brand new hosting account and migrate everything manually. But if you have access to WHM, the process is much easier. In this video, we will show you exactly how to change the primary domain name of any cPanel account using WHM, along with a few things to check before and after the change. So let's get started. Things you have to do before changing the primary domain. Your new domain name is already registered. The new domain is not currently used on any other hosting account. You have access to your hosting control panel. You take a backup of your website and emails just to be safe. Now, coming to the steps. First, log in to your WHM panel using your administrator or reseller credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to the WHM dashboard where you can manage all hosting accounts. In the WHM search bar, you have to type Modify an account and click on the option when it appears. This section allows you to edit account-level settings, including the primary domain name.
Hey, this is not an ad, just a quick tip. If you're looking for reliable hosting without breaking the bank, you might want to check out what we offer at Host IT Smart. Reliable servers, fast speed, and affordable pricing. Check out our hosting offers. Okay, let's continue with the tutorial.
You will now see a list of cPanel accounts hosted on the server. Locate the account whose primary domain you want to change. Click the Modify button next to that account. Inside the account settings page, find the primary domain field. Replace the existing domain with the new domain name. After entering the new domain name, scroll down and click Save. WHM will begin updating the account configuration. Depending on the server and account size, the process may take a few moments. Once completed, the cPanel account will recognize the new domain as its primary domain. After changing the primary domain, make sure the new domain points to your server. You can do this by updating name servers, modifying A records, adjusting DNS zone configurations. Without proper DNS configuration, visitors won't be able to access the website using the new domain. Once the primary domain has been changed, don't just assume everything is working perfectly. Open the new domain in your browser and take a quick look around the website. Make sure the homepage loads properly, navigate through a few internal pages, check that images display correctly, test any contact forms, and verify that login areas are accessible. It's always a good idea to perform these checks immediately after the change, because if there's an issue, you'll catch it early before your visitors or clients do. Also, if the cPanel account uses email services, don't forget to test those as well. Check whether existing mailboxes are still accessible, verify webmail login, confirm email routing is working correctly, and send a test email to ensure both incoming and outgoing emails are functioning as expected. A few minutes of testing now can save you a lot of troubleshooting later. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Host IT Smart for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for choosing Host IT Smart, where we make web hosting easy and affordable. See you in the next video.